Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking. Don't forget to like the video before you start watching. This will make YouTube see that you watched my video and you loved it. That's why you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment down there and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much. So without wasting your time, in today's video you're going to talk about some facts, what I practiced to grow my natural hair, some things you're doing wrong and what you're not doing at all, and what will help. So the first thing I'll talk about today is skipping conditioner. Okay, some people just wash their hair without conditioning their hair. They just use the shampoo and they are good to go. That is something that will stop your hair from growing, because the conditioner help. You know, there is a use for every conditioner you buy. I buy straightening conditioner, I buy conditioners that makes my hair soft. Yeah, I have a product review of the stuff I use for my hair. I'll leave the link down in the description, so try to check them out and watch the video. So skipping conditioning your hair will help your hair during your hair growth journey. So don't forget, always try to condition your hair when you wash it. The second thing I'll talk about is some people shampoo their hair wrongly. If you want to shampoo your hair, you first need to make your hair wet, like you wet your hair and massage it first. Massage is something that is also important if you want to grow your hair. When I want to when I want to wash my hair, I massage it first. Apply the conditioner into okay, so after you apply so I wet my hair and massage it. I even massage it first and apply the shampoo and then massage it again into the hair to make it go everywhere, every part of the hair to get the shampoo. Okay, so from there you leave it for about 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. Another thing that will help your hair grow, and it has really helped me, is leave-in conditioner. There are differences between conditioners and leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner is the one that you apply, like I have a video about how to make carrot oil. Carrot oil is a leave-in conditioner for me, so you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Carrot oil is a very, very powerful leave-in conditioner that will help your hair to grow. It will straighten your hair and it will shine your hair. So that is something that I always do. And moisturizing your hair is the same as the leave-in conditioner, because the leave-in conditioner moisturizes your hair. Moisturizing your hair is very important. I do it even if I don't want to wash my hair. I do it every 3 days. Sometimes I do it every day, but I don't apply a lot of oil in my hair. My hair loves oil very much, and I have some product that I use with it. So moisturizing your hair is very important for your hair growth. My hair loves it so much. Another thing you must keep in mind is using products that your hair loves. You don't have to pick any random product and use it because your friend is using, because it's cheap, or because some people use products that are expensive because it's expensive or something. Use product that your hair loves, even if it's just $1 and your hair loves it. Just try to use that. Stick to it. Another thing is putting together a lot of products. Okay, putting together a lot of products will not help your hair growth. So try not to put like too many products together. You will not even know which one is growing your hair, and when you put them together, they are very bad for your hair health and it won't help your hair growth. So try not to mix too much products. This way you even see which product is good for your hair and which product is helping, which one is not helping. Another thing is not allowing your hair to breathe. Some people they can put their hair, I'm one of these people. There are sometimes after I lose my hair, you know, it's only when I went to Lebanon that I was not making braids so much. When I lose my hair, in the morning I'll comb it, in the afternoon I'll comb it. I can comb it like 100 times a day. That is very bad for your hair health. It will cause breakage. It won't allow your hair to grow, and even the roots will pain you. Like you'll feel pain in the under your hair, like the roots. So not allowing your hair to take a rest, not breathing is very bad for your health, your hair health, I mean. And another thing is not putting on protective hairstyles. You know, like this one I made, it's going to stay for like 2, 3, 4 weeks, and I'm not going to bother my hair, I'm not going to comb it, I'm not going to do anything. I will only apply the leave-in conditioner and moisturize it. That's the only thing I'll do to the hair. So the hair is relaxed, it will grow. By 4 weeks the hair will grow, and I won't make it for like putting in comb or anything, brush or nothing. So putting on protective hairstyles are very good for your hair health, so try them out if you're not doing them. Putting on protective hairstyles, if you've even checked after putting like this one, look at my roots, you see there is nothing under the hair, but within 4 weeks time the hair will become loose. That means I grew new hair. So it's very good for your hair health. Try to check them out, like try them out. I mean, another mistake that some people do is they wash their hair every single day. Washing your hair every day will not help you. I don't know, but your hair will not get dirty every day. Okay, maybe it's only me, I don't wash my hair every day. Maximum is 2 weeks. That's when I don't have protective hairstyles like this, like braids and something, I wash it every 2 weeks. But right now that I have the braid, it's going to take like 3 to 4 weeks before I remove this and wash it. So washing your hair every single day will affect the hair growth. Another mistake some people do is they neglect their hair. Someone can leave her hair for about 2 weeks without doing anything to it, without braiding it, without doing anything. I'm one of these people. Sometimes I just leave my hair for a week without doing anything. This will not help your hair growth. It's very bad for your hair health. So you need to at least put them in braids or do something to it. Don't just leave the hair like it's not yours. Of course it is yours and you really love your hair. I know you love your hair just like how I love mine. So leaving your hair, neglecting your hair without doing anything to it is very bad for your hair health. So try not to practice it.
It's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky